This system, it has two different things. One is talking about the perimeter. And so the perimeter of a rectangle is 2w plus 2l. And we know that all the way around is 32 feet. And then the other piece we know is that the length is 2 more than twice the width. So when we go to translate that piece, our length is going to be twice the width plus 2. So that's what it's going to look like when we translate our two equations into a system. And our job is supposed to write, so we did that, and then solve the system. So I think the easiest thing to do here is to substitute this value for L in the place of our first equation. So when we do that, we'll have 2w plus 2 times 2w plus 2 equals 32. And this is a bit of a mess, so we need to clean it up a bit. So 2w plus, again, whether you like rectangles or arrows, 4w plus 4 equals 32. One more step of cleaning up will give us 6w, and then I'm also going to subtract 4 from this side, move it over to the other side, equals 28. And so then we know that our width is 28 over 6. So that's the dimensions of the garden. That's the width anyways. And the other piece that we need to figure out is the length. So if we go back to either of our originals and substitute 28 over 6, I can also simplify this to 14 over 3. Might make it a little easier as well. So L equals 2 times 14 over 3 plus, I'm going to call it 6 over 3, and just change the 2 to an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 3. So L is 28 plus 6 over 3, which means that it is 34 over 3. And we can simplify that to 11 1/3, but these are the dimensions of the garden, and they're all in feet, by the way.